Showing audio waveforms. When you view a waveform in the source monitor, you will see an extra navigator zoom control for each channel to the right of the waveform. These controls work in a way that is similar to the navigator zoom control at the bottom of the panel. You can resize the vertical navigator to view the waveforms larger or smaller, which is particularly useful when navigating quiet audio. You can choose to display audio waveforms for any clip that has audio by choosing Audio Waveform from the Source Monitor Settings menu. If a clip has a video as well as audio, the video will be displayed in the source monitor by default. You can quickly switch to viewing the audio waveform by clicking the Drag Audio Only button. Let's look at some waveforms. Double-click the clip HS John from the Theft Unexpected bin to open it in the source monitor. Open the source monitor settings menu and choose Audio Waveform. You can easily see where the dialog begins and ends. Notice the clip's in and out points are shown as a highlighted region on the waveform. Notice also you can click the waveform to move the source monitor playhead. Switch back to viewing the composite video using the source monitor settings menu. You can also turn off and on the display of waveforms for clip segments on the timeline. The sequence Theft Unexpected should already be open in the timeline panel. If not, open it from the Master Sequences bin. Open the timeline display settings menu and make sure the Show Audio Waveform option is enabled. If necessary, resize the Audio 1 track to make sure the waveform is fully visible. Notice that 2 audio channels are displayed in each audio clip in this sequence. The clips have stereo audio. The audio waveforms on these clips look very different from the waveforms in the source monitor. That is because, by default, the timeline panel displays rectified audio waveforms, which make it easier to see lower volume audio, like the dialogue in this scene. Open the timeline panel menu, not the settings menu, and choose Rectified Audio Waveforms to deselect it. This switches the timeline panel waveforms to the same type as the source monitor. The regular waveform display works well for louder audio, but notice the quieter parts of the speech. It is harder to follow the level changes. Open the timeline panel menu and restore the Rectified Audio Waveforms option.